Hi, I'm Tejas from ViaSell. We deal around the three core areas of CNC machining, that is tools, cutting oil, and software. So today I'm one of our current customers, Lubricants CNC. They have been using our services since past 10 years. Let's see what they have to say.
Hello, I'm Amit Sapare from Robocon CNC. I've been using SolidCAM for over 10 years now, and it's been a game changer for our CNC programming. My biggest challenge was in reducing the cycle time. But once we started using iMachining, things really changed. It made our process much faster and a lot more efficient. We have saved a lot of time and resources because of SolidCAM. The support team from SolidCAM has been great. Whenever we have any ambiguity or needed help, they are always there to help us and know exactly how to help us. I always recommend to stay on active SolidCAM AMC. The updates and support make sure we are always working with the best tools available.